So another brilliant feature that 2.3 brings is these 3 additional controls for zooming and scrolling when you're in the grid editor. So we've now got horizontal zoom, horizontal scroll and the playhead. So from the QLinks, we can move the playhead here with this second QLink. We can scroll horizontally, and we can also horizontally zoom. Okay, so that's a really handy feature to have for your QLinks. This also applies to audio edit. So if we go into edit audio, let's just load up a sample. It's only a really small sample, but we should be able to see this in action. So again, we've got horizontal zoom, horizontal scroll and playhead. So there you go, we can move the playhead, horizontal scroll and horizontal zoom. So this feature's available in audio editor and also in the grid editor for your MIDI notes.